By definition, the quotient rule is a skill of finding the derivative of a function that is the quotient of two other functions for which derivatives exist. The quotient rule is f of x equals u of x over v of x. And in order to find the derivative, we'll have to use our formula, which is f prime of x equals u prime x times vx minus v prime x times u of x, all over vx cubed. So being that we know our function and how our structure is supposed to look, now we have our example. Now our example is 15 over x cubed. Now our 15 in our numerators are u, and our x cubed in our denominators are v. Then we go on to find the derivative of those, denominator and numerator. So our derivative of 15, which is in our numerator, and also our u, is 0. So our u prime is 0. So now we go into the denominator and find the derivative of x cubed, and our v prime is 3x squared. We then go on and use our formula. We always have to keep our formula in mind, and we plug in our numerator. So our u prime is 0, our v, which is in our original equation, is x cubed, minus v prime, which is 3x squared, and our u of x is 15, and that is also in our numerator. So, being that we plugged in our numerator, 0 times x cubed is 0, 3x squared times 15 is 45x squared. So we bring everything down, and now that we have 0 minus 45x squared in our numerator, don't forget that we also have to keep in mind our denominator in our f prime x of x formula. So we then bring on our v of x, which is our x cubed, and also our squared. So now that we brought down everything and everything is in our function, we then solve for x cubed squared. So now we have negative 45x squared all over x to the 6th. And this is giving us our f prime of x.